Never cry for the person who hurts you. Just smile and say, "Thank you for giving me the chance to find someone better than you." Never hate jealous people. They are jealous because they think you are better than them. Don't waste your time on revenge. Those who hurt you will eventually face their own karma. Never tell anyone your plans. Show them your results instead. One great lesson I learned from my life: there is no market for your emotions. So never advertise your feelings. Just show your attitude. Don't give up. Your day will come. It's a matter of time. If you're helping someone and expecting something in return, you're doing business, not kindness. Trust means everything, but once it's broken, sorry means nothing. Always remember that your present situations are not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Never leave a true relation for few faults. Nobody is perfect, nobody is correct, and at the end, affection is always greater than perfection. Don't come to my funeral to show me how much you cared about me. Show me how much you care about me now, while I'm still alive. Never reply when you are angry. Never make a promise when you are happy. Never make a decision when you are sad. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even give you honesty. Life is short. Time is fast. No reply, no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes. Don't give up. The beginning is always the hardest. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. If a drop of water falls in a lake, its density is lost. If it falls on a lotus leaf, it shines like a pearl. The drop is the same, but the company matters. Life is beautiful. One day, 1 hour, and 1 minute will not come again in your entire life. Avoid fights, angriness, and speak lovely to every person. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching.